Breaking news! 90% of traders just lost money. The other 10% are busy buying Lambos with their money.
Just bought this new Lamborghini here.
The delusion phase. Every trader's first week. Discover RSI. Make $3. Declare financial freedom. Next week, they're backtesting on TikTok and looking at what card they should buy next. The emotional phase. Here's the real enemy. It's not the market, it's the Wi-Fi between your ears. One green candle and you think you're a genius. One red candle and you're writing a Medium post called My Journey to Minimalism. The denial phase. Every losing trader has one thing in common. They believe the next trade will fix everything. Therapists call that denial. Brokers call it volume. Meanwhile, the market's just sitting there like, I can go sideways forever, buddy. Sit my fool. The math phase. Let's run some numbers. You risk 5% per trade because you believe in conviction. 10 bad trades later, boom! Your account's down 40%. Now you're Googling 100% win rate strategies or how to apply for prop funding with $12. You hear that? Sounds like a JOB knocking at your front door. The reality phase. You hear this time and time again. Professional traders risk 1% or less. The other 99% risk their rent money and blame Big Dad, Jerome Powell, the 10% rule. Here's what the 10% actually do differently. They don't predict, they react. They don't hope, they plan. They don't revenge trade, they revenge sleep. They track stats, study losses, and treat trading like a business instead of a Vegas weekend with indicators. Remember this, 90% lose money. The other 10% make theirs selling you a course on how not to lose money.
Here in my garage,